This next story is an interesting story. We're talking about this a lot yesterday and for the last number of days. Remember, Neil had that guest over the weekend on it. But there's another person, another 20-year-old man, this time from Oregon, who actually is now filing a lawsuit against Dick's Sporting Goods and Walmart for refusing to sell him a gun. Remember, the whole thing is wanted to raise the age 18 to 21. So let's bring in attorney Deborah Blum to talk about that. What do you think, Deborah? This guy have a case here because the companies, private companies, have made this decision on their own. They want to raise the age 18 to 21. Is there an age discrimination case to be made?
Yes, absolutely. He is a member of a protected class in the state of Oregon. Generally, when you think of an age discrimination lawsuit, you think of it as protection for ages 40 and above. Oregon has a minimum age for employment discrimination suits of 40. However, this is a retail discrimination in a place of public accommodation. Oregon is one of the states that bans retailers from discriminating based on age, providing protection for those 18 and over. And they actually have carve-outs to say that stores can't sell alcohol or marijuana to those under 21, but provides absolute protection for those 18 and above to purchase rifles, which this individual wanted to purchase.
Okay, so we were having, as I said, this discussion yesterday. There was another lawyer on, and she said to me, well, you know, that's fine. There are certain states, and as you point out to us, it appears Oregon is one of them, where you could make a state case of this, and you might have a case to be argued. But Dick's Sporting Goods, or I guess Walmart, but either one could come back and say, you know what, we're doing this for the public good. We're doing this to save lives. And that might be the argument that kind of carries the day. What do you say to that?
Well, that will get them out of damages because this individual is seeking damages, but I don't think that's going to get them out of the suit. The law itself would need to be changed before they could make that argument.
So then what happens? They would have to change back to where they were, or?
I think that it's a question of whether the policy of the state of Oregon, the law, is going to be amended to also include not selling rifles to people that are under the age of 21.
Okay, so that. So you mean so it wouldn't be a certain type of gun versus all guns? Is that what you're talking about, or something different?
Actually, in the state of Oregon, you can't sell a rifle to someone. Actually, a rifle you can sell to someone that's 18.
Right.
A shotgun is only to someone over the age of 21. So this would have to apply specifically to rifles, saying that you can't sell any guns, including rifles, to people unless they're age 21 and above, because you can't sell alcohol or serve alcohol to someone who's under the age of 21. It would have to be a similar provision. Got
it. All right. That is it is interesting because this is, and that's the case, or the argument Deborah's making, this is state to state. Remember, it started obviously in Florida, but this could be different in Oregon, different in Florida, certainly different here in New York. We'll keep following these cases as they come up. Good to see you, Deborah. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay.